Hey guys, so in this video I talk about one key aspect that's been amazing to minimize tangles and to make detangling so much more easier and to keep tangles at bay. Now the girls love getting involved in my videos, so today my middle one will be doing part of the voiceover. Enjoy!
My sisters and I have long healthy hair because my mum does this all the time. She pre-poos every wash day for my sisters and I. Pre-poo is just a step you do prior to shampooing. As it says in the name, pre-poo, pre-shampoo. You get it?
Every wash day I make sure I always pre-poo all three of my girls' hair. It's key to making our detangling easier. So I start with a humectant water, so water with vegetable glycerin or honey. I mist it all over each section and then go ahead to make sure I press it, squeeze it into each section of hair, and then I follow up with a penetrating oil such as coconut oil, babassu oil, olive oil. I mix some olive oil with coconut oil and I make sure to smooth it through each section. I comb and then detangle. So yeah, of course, if you have a routine that works for you in terms of detangling, if you use an instant conditioner, keep going with that. But penetrating oils work. I can usually detangle with a fab combination of the above penetrating oils that I mentioned. I always say if you already had something that works for you, keep going at it. But I love to share what's working for us in case you need to switch things up in your routine. Again, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you might enjoy my video on how to build a hair care routine. Hope you enjoy the impromptu of my middle one doing the voiceover. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.